once the sites are up, we're going to be doing individual site tests, but instead of using a siren, which would be totally disruptive to everyone, we're going to be using what we call the Westminster chimes. So it's that kind of doorbell kind of sound. And the reason we want to do that is we're going to be testing to make sure that the engineering study is correct and to tweak it as necessary. We'll also be doing voice testing, something to the effect that this is a test, so that we can make sure that the voice that you're hearing in a true emergency would be one that you're actually going to have some benefit from, and not have that mash sound that you sometimes hear when you hear a public address system. So we've gone to great pains to make sure that not only is the system in place and accurate and timely and used only during crises that really it is needed for, but also that it is something that will be educational for people. So at a moment of a crisis, people know exactly what they should do. And at the end of that crisis, we will also put an audible sound and tell people there's an all clear message and that they can resume their duties or stay inside or whatever the case may be.